Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see stocks for tomorrow. But before that, let's see how our stocks are performed today. Let's look at our first stock, Coforge. Coforge closed 4% above previous day close. The first candle was very bullish. It broke R1 and previous high at the same time. It went till R2 and it came near opening range. And it took support and again it went till R2. In our Telegram channel, we gave intraday calls for Coforge. The strike was 3800 call, and when we gave the call, the premium was around 55 and 54, and our target hit at 85. Our next stock is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital closed 1.14% below previous day close. If you look at first candle, it was a proper inverted hammer, but it was near pivot. So it's good to take entry after second candle. And then if you look at 10-5 candle, it was a proper reversal move. There was another inverted hammer which broke the EMA too. So it's good to make a new entry there. If we had taken entry there, our exit would be at 11:55 or 12 o'clock entry. It was 1:3 risk reward trade. And after taking support during afternoon, it went to CPR. Again, it got reversed from pivot. If you see a 2-5 candle, it broke 20 MA. And after taking confirmation at 210 candle, there was no exit till the end of the day. Some put signal were generated. Our next stock is Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv closed 0.11% above previous day close. It has opened gap up and it formed lower highs and lower lows till the end of the day. At evening, it closed at pivot. It looks like it has just filled the gap. No intraday signal was generated. Our next stock is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance closed 1% above previous day close. It opened higher. First candle itself, it went till previous day close. It took support at 20 MA and it was bounced back. The second candle, it formed above R1. So it was a good entry. It went till R2 and then it was pulled back. And then it ended flat. Call signal was generated. Our next stock is Maruti. Maruti closed 1% above previous day close. Before we getting into the intraday movement, I would like to mention that we gave BTST call in our Telegram group. The strike was 8500 call and entry was around like 83, 84 and today the high went nearly like 135. While seeing the intraday movement, the first candle looks like bearish, but it took support at previous day high and it was bounced. It went till R2. In fact, during afternoon session, it broke R2 and it came back. A good call signal was generated. Our next stock is IGL. IGL closed 1.41% below previous day close. It opened above pivot. At the end of morning session, it came near pivot and it was bounced back. And after 3 PM, it came to pivot. It was a very volatile day. No signal was generated. Our next stock is IndiaMart. IndiaMart closed 0.14% above previous day close or flat. It opened at pivot and had up and down movement in pivot itself. After afternoon, it just ended flat. No signal was generated. LTTS. LTTS closed 0.54% above previous day close. After opening candle, it went till R1 and again it came back near pivot and it had a bounce at afternoon. It was a sideways day. It ended flat. No signal was generated here. Our final stock is Tata Steel. Tata Steel closed 1.76% above previous day close it opened above R1 and in first candle it took support at R1 and it went till R2. In fact, during afternoon session, it managed to break R2. Now we will get into tomorrow's pick. We will be taking some of the stocks from today's watch list to tomorrow. The newbies are Polycab, Astral and M&M. First stock is Apollo. Apollo closed 1% below Friday's close. In our last video, we mentioned that if 37.20 is broke, we can short till 35.40. If 35.40 also breaks, then we can short till 33.60. On higher side, if 4000 is broke, then we can aim for 4500 to 4800 because 4000 acts as a good support and we can take as a swing trade too. No breakout has happened today, so we are taking this stock to tomorrow. Next stock is Maruti. Maruti closed 1% from yesterday's close. In our last video, we mentioned that if it broke Friday's high, we can expect range like 8650 to 8750. And today's high was nearly 8540. So it has a good chance to move upside. Bajaj Finserv. If Bajaj Finserv managed to break today's high, which is around 11,780, we can set target at 12,070 to 12,170. So this is a good range to set target. On lower side, if it manages to break 11,300, we can expect a good fall. Bajaj Finance. On our previous video, we said that if 5620 is broken, we can expect range like 5800 to 5900. But today it opened above 5620 and it started to move slightly downwards. If it managed to break 5620 again, we can set our target back to 5800 to 5900. On lower side, if today's low is broken, we can expect range till 5350 to 5250. This range is possible. India Mart. If India Mart manages to break today's low, it may end up near 4060. If 4060 is also broken, then surely we have a chance to see till 3800. We can short till 3800. Our next stock is Polycab. Polycab closed 1.76% from previous day's close. If today's high is broken, we can expect range like 2340 to 2360 on higher side. On lower side, if today's low is broken, we can expect range like 2160 to 2120. Astral. Astral closed 1.70% above from previous day high. If it broke today's high, we may see 1750. If 1750 is also broke, we can expect the range to 1830. On lower side, if today's low is broken, we can expect range like 1640 to 1580. According to charts and technical analysis, Astral looks bullish, so it may end up hitting our target on upper side.